when I first met you, which was literally 30 years ago or something like that, and you were delivering supplies to people in need in Haiti. And I know just from talking to your workers that your company does that. You find a need. Could you tell me a little bit about that? Why do you and your company help out when you can?
Well, it's a matter of simplistically, giving back to the community, or if I have the wherewithal to help somebody, why not? And in Haiti, for example, they had a huge earthquake, and we air freighted in on the plane. We have a small company plane, um, cases of water, fresh water, and then another trip. We left from LA with medical supplies, and we flew them to Port-au-Prince Airport and dropped them off. And we took a tour of downtown Port-au-Prince after the earthquake, and it was just like a disaster. It was just awful. And this was 20, 30 years ago. There's still a recovery. But we had a situation maybe 30 years ago when either UPS or FedEx went on strike. So we were able to deliver orders anywhere basically west of Denver. You could get next day delivery. And we just go and do it. But this is kind of how, in my mind, you stay kind of in the head of the competition.